Hey, Kathryn, you know that new White Wave Market store on King Street? It sure has some first-rate prices on meats.
Who cares?
What?
I said, who cares, George? I'm ready to leave Jacksonville and go back to Texas anyway.
Now leave this hideout paradise? What's your beef?
You want a piece of my mind, George? I'll give you a piece of my mind, all right. Aren't you tired of living a life of bootlegging, bank robbing, kidnapping? We are always living on the lam. You should ask for more money, George. Kidnapping Mr. Big Shot millionaire man in Oklahoma City. Your whole plan went down the drain.
But it was your idea. Can't a man just eat a steak in peace?
We should have never hid him at my mother's farm in Texas. He led those coppers straight there, and now they have my mother.
Dance with me, Kathryn.
We have to go back and get my mother out. I mean it, George.
We still have to see the beach. You know, that Casa Marina hotel that the boys in Chicago talk up? Sand, toes. After we make tracks for Texas and dig up that dough we buried, then we'll skedaddle over to Memphis. Maybe there we can celebrate our anniversary. What do you say? What?
You burn me up, George. You don't know how good you have it because of me.
Because of you?
Yes, Mr. George Machine Gun Kelly. I'm the one that bought you that machine gun. I gave you that name, and I spread the word around town.
I never fired a shot.
And here you are, a free man, roaming around while my mother is locked up in the pen.
Listen, sugar, when we get to Memphis, I'll look up my brother-in-law. You know, the lawyer? Maybe he can help.
What about that lawyer in Fort Worth? I hear he has connections with the feds.
Hey now, what are you trying to do? Make a deal with the G-Man? Are you turning on me?
Oh, of course not. I would never do that to you, silly. But I do want you to write one last letter to that oil man, Urshel. Threaten him good. He needs to know that we mean business. Go on.
So what's with all the soap and bleach here?
Now it's your turn to dye your hair blonde.
I sure wonder what's going on behind those baby blue eyes of yours.
I just don't like it here. Our neighbors are nosy, and the ruckus from that dance hall up the block, it attracts the coppers.
You mean the boat warehouse on the river? Say, that's a swell idea. Let's go on down to the pier and cut her up, just like old times.
And right, if he doesn't help my family, he'll be in hell.
You go get all dolled up. I've got my new Cadillac.
Son it your worst enemy.
A last night on town. I like that.
Now put your fingerprints on it. Proof that not just any old crank sent this.
Not until you promise me one last dance.
All right, one last dance, but then we pack up and leave this swamp. Deal?
Deal. And when we get back, we untie that poor little girl Geraldine upstairs, grab our bags, and dust out of here.
One last dance it is.